You like Trump? Good girl. You like Biden? Shit, I don't know where I put them. They got a little ridge around them where you can't, where they won't slide off. So VR3, the orange one. So it's going to be the 1, 2, 3, third one from the right. Kind of hard to do this. I gotta find the button. Alright. Full deflection. Find the button. All the way over. Okay. And then when the peak kit on, still in the one position, I guess. Brown one, VR1, it needs to go full scale on this one. And it does. It's just a smidget off. Just a smidget. Damn it, it keeps wanting to slide off. Damn it. That's the reason I bought them screwdrivers, and now I don't know where to put them. Let's just turn it a little bit. I think it went the wrong way. Okay. So set the brown one. Full deflection. Alright, go back, turn it off. That's full deflection. Alright, move on. Go to part C. Return to CW position, which is off. The peak kit's off. Go to 2 times. I think 2 times is down. I have to label that. 2 times is down, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. 2 times is down. I wrote it on there, so. So it's off. And the switch is going to be down for 2 times. It says up, but it didn't have enough wire to turn it around. So I left it like that, and down is going to be 2 times. And 5 times be up. It don't really matter. You get used to it, especially when it's labeled. So that'll be the yellow one you have to adjust. So it's down and then 2 times. think that's in the 5-time one. So 2-time one is up. No. Alright, so the yellow one has to read 50 on the scale. So 50 is going to be right here. And that's right, 2 times is down. So hit that. And it goes a little past 50. It's about 53. So just the yellow one. Let's see if I can find them screwdrivers. Alright, it's on 50 now. It goes over slow because in the average, I can set the hang time here in just a minute. Alright, go to the 5 times, which is going to be up. And then the green one is going to be adjusted to the 20. So the 20 on the 100 watt scale is going to be here where the 10's at. So green. Alright, button. Put this on a green one. It was a little off. And directly on the 20. A little minor adjustment. And the amount of hang time, which is coming back, is the red one. And it is a lot of hang time in there. It's moving slowly. Moving like a Ford. There's paint in that one. Really need to hook it up to do this, but let's go back to the full scale. 7 is 0 position. Oh yeah. You see it getting faster. Yeah. I went out a good 10 turns. So, alright. Now we can hook it up. And this is directional, the slug you put in it. That's 50-watt slug. I got my radio on it. I could put that amp in it. But 50-watt slug like that. And this will test my radio. This is in the, so this is, I think 2 times is down, so need to remember that. 2 times is down, the peak hit is off, so this is an average. Turn this around. Alright, so the signal is going this way, and the antenna's on this side. Oh, so it's reading about 5-watt dead key. Hello, about 12 bird. This slug's a little loose. So, alright, peak. I think its radio does about 35 on a good day. Center the meter up. Oh, yeah, it's showing really good today. About 42, 45. Hello, no, it's about 40. Hello, showing about 40 today. Oh, of course it's getting hot. So half of 40 would be 20. Oh, so you read that 50-watt scale, so 20 is right there. Oh, pretty much dead on it. It's a little off, but so 5 times 40. Let me make sure I'm right. No. 40 divided by 5 equals 8 watts. So it should be 8 watts when it goes to 5 times. So 5 times is up, and this is a 50-watt scale, so 8 watts is going to be right over in here, 2 below the 10. Hello, dead on it. It's set up. That's with a 50-watt slug in it. You see, you do the math there. You go. That down. Okay. So 40 divided by 5. That'd be 5 times position. It's in peak mode. Hit equal. It's going to be 8 watts, and that is a 50-watt scale. So you reading, that'd be 10, 9, 8. Oh, dead on it. Alright, go to 2 times. Anybody know, even my dumb ass knows 40 divided by 2 is 20. So 20 should be there. And they start getting a little off before they get over, but it ain't off too bad. Hello. So it's showing about 22 watts. And full, it's been showing about 40, so hello. It's about 42 on there. So that reading on there is pretty damn accurate. So there you go. And in average, oh, it's done got hot. It's done dropped down to about 11 or 12 watts. That's normally what it runs about all the time. 11 or 12 average. That's my Rainmaker tuned Cobra 29. I'll label it just off and on. Of course, you'll see the LED come on when it's on. It takes a little bit for it to drain down, but there it is with it off. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but on, off. And I kind of flattened this one out too, because of the when you sitting across from one of them LEDs, you look directly into it, it just kills your damn eyes. Just kills them. And this way, you can actually see it better around it. I mean, it's there, but it ain't overwhelming. At least in my eyes. I would rather have it like this than I would have it blaring blue. And this ain't actually blue. This is a ultraviolet light. So if you got some of those shirts that show, it's like a night, the psychedelic lights, whatever you call them, black lights. Yeah, like a black low light, grow light, or whatever the hell you call it, like that. And you ain't gonna be able to get a slug in this side with the front on, because it touches when it goes in there. You might be able to cock it. If you cock it like this, you can get it in there. If you put it in a cock position, you can get it in and then just push it out straight and turn this holder thing, and that holds it in like that. It's got them little ears on it. But you can get it in there if you turn that to the side. When you put them in, cock it that way, and it will go in. You just see me do it. Alright. The other thing left to do besides putting it back on is put the new screws in the side. We get the screw kit out. All the other screws look pretty good. And let's see, it ain't gonna be that one. It ain't gonna be that one. It ain't gonna be that one. And I could actually probably change them. These are flats. All the other ones are Phillips. These are flats. So I could change these two for the handle, make it all Phillips. So that's 2 of them. That's 3. So it should be 8. And it is not. It's not 8 of them in there. And I know it ain't these funnel ones. It ain't that one. Ain't that one. I don't know what them's for. So I guess they messed up on the kit. I don't know what them two there for. Put that other foot over in here, which is, things popped out on it, but still. So I need 2 of these. These little kits right here is, they're not cheap. I think this thing of bolts there was like $13. You get feet and everything in there, but it's worth it. Being it's supposed to be everything in there to redo one, or for bolts that you missing, and I got some with some missing bolts too. So let me see, what did I get for them? My eBay purchases. So I bought 2 kits. 2 kits was $36. That's 2 kits. Two Bird 43 watt meter bolt kits. $36 for 2. So yeah, they're $24. Oh, let's see. Let's go back. Let's see how. Okay, go this. Act like I'm gonna buy another. The kit is $13, so $14 plus $6 shipping. Is that right? Yeah, $6 shipping. So pretty expensive, but it's still worth it if you need the bolts. All right, let's get a screwdriver. And the ones I take out of this is flat. I can use them in one of mine. I mean, I don't mind having mix match in mine. I mean, it is kind of annoying, but another way it ain't too bad. It would be nice to have all of them the same. Hell, to work on it, you wouldn't have to have but an 8mm, a 10mm now, and a Phillips screwdriver. But need the flat. I mean, I could have went to the hardware store and got some of these little bolts here, but I couldn't have got the feet. But it'd be nice if them feet come with them little ball bearings in it, because, you know, you lose them. I don't even know if they knew it had that in it. I don't know. The place that sells them, getting that. Up until then, I didn't even know they had them in its first feet I've had to replace. That I remember. Get some of these wires tucked up out of the way there. I think you'll still be able to get a slug up in there. Let's see. On this side, I think it's a no-go. Let me see. You can get it in there. So it is possible. These spring out, by the way. So it is possible to get the slugs back in it. That's another good thing about it. It is possible. I mean, of course, I had to cut some holes in the meter, but To make an omelet, you have to crack an egg. Alright, so that's them. And plus these are stainless steel too, by the way. Well, these have a nice little collar around them, and them don't. Let's see if I can come up with something here. No, that will not do it. Yeah, these don't come with a collar. See how this one's got a collar? Surely that's, kind of looks like it's maybe threaded up on there. I don't know. It is. Amazing. Amazing. You couldn't tell that hardly. Amazing. So, that's that little collar there. I don't know who made that. I don't know if Bird made that or what, but if they did, good job. It kind of cammed out on one side. You got a high spot. That's how I kind of seen, you can't really tell it, but you see how it's thicker on one side than it is the other side? That's what made me think of that. And what big as that head is, I don't think it needs a washer on it. It looks better without a washer. I don't think it needs a washer on the inside either. It gives it room to turn, to spin. Let's see, maybe, let's see if this washer goes over top of that. Takes up a little room, maybe. It does. It does. Amazing. That head is about as big as that washer, so it don't need that. It don't need that. Hell, this, somebody's put these in it because that's a lot shorter. And this one's cammed out too, so maybe it's a Bird thing, but a great idea. So, I had to make a strap for mine out of an old belt. It looks pretty good. It's actually a leather strap I got my ass foot with when I was young. Let's do this. Those 2 washers come off of it. It looks a little loose. So we put 2 washers on the inside of it. There that is. Them straps right there, I think they're like maybe $17, $18. I think just for the strap. Okay, I think I'm going to put this down with double stick tape that will peel back up and it won't leave any residue that I think. Why did I dig that out? They say this stuff is amazing, but I mean it's okay, but it ain't nothing to write home about. Where's my scissors? Where are my scissors? I mean, it sticks, but you can get it up. I like that. I like that you can get it up. And it, you just take your finger and push it and roll it. What am I doing? I'm gonna put it back in my alien bag. Got this at Dollar General, by the way. Old Dollar General. So there you are. There you are. I'm gonna send this paperwork with it. It came with it. Like I said, I bought 2 kits. These feet don't look like they came on there. I don't know why anybody would want to lay it on the back instead of the front. These 2 clips here don't really need to be there. But they're going back on. Found it. Leave it the way I found it. Hard as hell to get on. Good Lord. What is the problem? You can hold your mouth right. I'll just put those screws up. Actually, they're over here. But they're long as shit. Oh, Lord. Hello?